Jaydee Bixby. Jaydee Bixby, born August 14, 1990, is a Canadian country musician who was the runner-up on the 5th season of Canadian Idol. In 2008, he signed with Her Royal Majesty's Records and went on to release his debut album Cowboys and Cadillacs. Moving on to On Ramp Records in 2010, he released his second album Easy to Love. Before Canadian Idol, Bixby was born in Drumheller, Alberta, where he grew up. He moved to Red Deer, Alberta, where he attended Hunting Hills High School. He was in a band called the Bixbys with his mother, father, and a family friend. They played at bars, weddings, and rodeos. Jaydee has 5 sisters, 4 older and 1 younger. His father taught him guitar. Canadian Idol. Bixby auditioned for Canadian Idol in Calgary, Alberta. He sang Lottie Miss Claudie in his audition and prompted Judge Zach Werner to ask him what decade it was in Red Deer. All 4 judges agreed that Bixby should go on to the Toronto round. During his first solo in the Toronto rounds, he prompted Werner to tell everyone that he was the competition. During the semi-final rounds of the show, the judges predicted him as a potential winner. He made the top 10 and gained the support of voteforthewurst.com. He did well week 1 of the top 10, but after that failed to really impress the judges until the top 5 week. Although Bixby never fell into the bottom 3, he was runner-up to Brian Milo on September 11, 2007. Performances and results. Post-Idol. Bixby was a part of the TELUS Winners Tour for the top 3 of Canadian Idol Season 5, along with winner Brian Milo and third-place finisher Carly Rae Jepsen. 4 shows were sold out in Bixby's hometown of Red Deer, Alberta, although only 1 was originally scheduled there. Bixby later opened for Aaron Lines and toured with the Tennessee 3. Career. Cowboys and Cadillacs 2008-2009. Bixby moved from Alberta to Vancouver to work on his music career, his first time living on his own. He was signed to Her Royal Majesty's Records/International Arts, and his debut album, Cowboys and Cadillacs, was released on July 8, 2008. The album was recorded in Vancouver and featured some of his own songwriting. Bixby also released a song called 21st Century Christmas, which debuted on the collaborative Open Road album Christmas on the Open Road. His charitable work includes fundraising for World Vision. In March 2009, he participated in Saskatoon's Kinsmen Telemiracle Marathon. Easy to Love 2010-2012. Bixby left Your Royal Majesty Records and was picked up by On Ramp Records. He released the single called Boy Inside the Man. His second album, Easy to Love, was released on May 25, 2010. On June 7, 2010, Bixby performed at the CNT Global Artist Party with 15 other international country stars. Bixby, Crystal Shawanda, and other country stars from the Canadian Country Music Association hosted a Hall of Honor induction on September 10, 2010. 2 more singles from Bixby followed in 2010, Tailgate and Can't Ask for More Than That. Jaydee was nominated for 3 awards for the 2010 British Columbia Country Music Awards. Work in Progress 2013-2014. Bixby left On Ramp Records to create his own label, Black Sheep Productions. His third album, Work in Progress, was released on August 13, 2013. Work in Progress features songs written by Bixby and a cover of Conway Twitty's It's Only Make Believe. The song is endorsed by Conway Twitty's daughter Kathy. Major record deal with Mid-South Music Records 2015-present. On January 30, 2015, he signed a major record deal with Mid-South Music Records former president T.M. Garrett at Ardent Studios in Memphis, Tennessee. His 2015 world tour will cover the United States, the United Kingdom, and Australia, and will be supported by co-headliner Skylar Anderson, who was in the top 8 round on the US-based X Factor in 2011. Discography: studio albums, singles, music videos, album appearances, awards and nominations.